Are you working hard but still not getting noticed? The truth is, it's not just about effort, it's about power. It's about understanding the unspoken rules of the game that truly successful people play. Today, I'm revealing 6 of these unspoken rules, 6 laws of power that can transform your life. These aren't about manipulation or deceit, they're about strategy, observation, and understanding human behavior. Stick around, and by the end of this video, you'll know how to stand out, command attention, and take control of your destiny. In any setting, workplace, relationships, or social life, remember one crucial thing. Those in power crave validation. Outshining them makes you a threat, not an asset. Presenting a brilliant idea can make your boss feel insecure. Elevate them while you ascend. Make them feel brilliant and appreciated. Louis XIV mastered this law. He stayed the center of attention. Let those in power shine to secure your place. Friends offer support, but their loyalty can be fickle. Enemies have a clarity of purpose. They challenge you and expose your weaknesses. Lincoln appointed his fiercest rivals to his cabinet. He turned tension into progress. Use enemies wisely. Their ambition fuels your success. In many aspects of life, transparency is celebrated. But in the game of power, revealing your hand too early can be a fatal mistake. If people know your plans, they have time to prepare their defenses. Steve Jobs understood the power of keeping his cards close to his chest. Apple's biggest innovations were shrouded in secrecy until their grand reveal. Keep your intentions hidden from prying eyes. Let others fumble in the dark while you make your moves strategically. The element of surprise is one of the most potent weapons in your arsenal. Don't surrender it lightly. We've all witnessed it. The person who talks incessantly, dominating the conversation, but ultimately diminishing their own power. True power lies in measured speech. Speak only when you have something of substance to contribute. Let your words carry weight, not just fill the air. The less you say, the more intrigue you create. Your reputation is your most valuable currency in the game of power. It opens doors and influences perceptions, but it is fragile and can crumble. News travels fast in today's world. A single misstep can be amplified instantly. Protect it fiercely. We live in a world saturated with information, a relentless torrent of images, sounds, and messages vying for our attention. In this chaotic landscape, commanding attention is essential. Influential figures capture our imagination. They understand that attention is power. They create, innovate, and offer something unique. Court the right kind of attention. Offer value. Stand for something meaningful. Be bold, daring, and authentic. These are the first 6 laws of power, 6 fundamental principles that can transform how you navigate your career, your relationships, and your place in the world. Think about it. How could mastering the art of attention or becoming the guardian of your reputation give you the upper hand in your own life? This is just the beginning. Subscribe to Simran's Stream of Dreams now and join me as we delve deeper into the art of power. The journey to mastering your destiny starts now. Take action.